Discover Davao, unveiling nature's wonders. Welcome to Davao region, where nature's wonders await you at every turn. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the breathtaking landscape, rich culture, thrilling adventures that make Davao a must-visit destination. Our adventure begins with the majestic Mount Apo, standing tall as highest peak in the Philippines. Experience the trail trekking through lush forests, traversing rivers, and reaching the summit for a panoramic view that will leave you in awe. But Davao isn't just about towering mountains. It's also home of some of the most pristine beaches in the country. From the powdery white sand of Samal Island to the crystal clear waters of Talikod Island, there's no shortage of tropical paradise to explore. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Davao as you witness colorful festivals, traditional dances, and delicious local cuisine. From the lively Kadayawan Festival to the captivating performances of the Tibuli tribe, every moment is a celebration of diversity and heritage.
Kadayawan, 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 Kadayawan.
Hindi ka mabibitin sa menu nila guys ha, kasi sobrang dami no. Yung in-order namin, sizzling beef sinigang, sizzling crispy tenga, sizzling balbakwa, sizzling cheesy steak, crispy isaw spicy, seafood gisado, lechon kawali dinakdakan, meron din silang pork adobo with bagong rice, yung kanilang all-native garlic chicken. Kaya wala nang intro, tara, kumain na tayo.
For thrill seekers, Davao offers an area of adrenaline-pumping activities. Dive into the depths of the ocean and discover a world of vibrant marine life, or soar through the skies on a zipline adventure that will take your breath away. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Davao region has something for everyone. Come and experience the beauty of nature and warmth of its people, and the unforgettable memories that awaits you in Davao. Plan your trip today and discover the wonders of this hidden gem in the heart of the Philippines. Discover Davao, where adventure awaits.